Tamas here from Easy Automator. By today, I would like to show you how we can make our previous recordings even more perfect. So for this, I already prepared in the tutorials before a file where we just removed the redundant waypoints from a coding process. Just to give you an idea about how it was looking like originally. So this was the original program, you will see. This was the original program. Here you can see a lot of waypoints, a lot of redundant waypoints. This is a manual process. This is normal. This was working well as well. What we have done, we just removed some redundant waypoints. So we just make quite straight lines out of the little bit shaky one. And what I would like to do by today is a very simple one. I would like to have all of these waypoints, the turning points, on the same height, okay? So we will define one waypoint, for example, this one, and we will get all of the waypoints, all of the turning points exactly to the same height, to the same coordinate. To do so, first I would like to launch or hide anything tool to hide the robot, that it doesn't disturb us here. And you know what, we just get the front view, and this is the front view. And I mentioned you know what, I just want to see only the targets, so I just really hide everything besides the target. So this would be my master waypoint, or we can even define another one. I mean, this is a little bit lower. You know what? This should be the master waypoint, okay? This should be the master waypoint. So we will get the y coordinate of this waypoint to get all of the waypoints to exactly to the same level. So how we do this? We are just opening the Afterwork toolset, and we will come to the app Align Waypoints, and we just started, okay? So this feature might be very useful, for example, at coding processes, or at any process where you want to have your waypoints after the manual processing to the same level. So just to make it sure that I was collecting the right one, so this is the P958, and this is what we just selected, okay? And I get the coordinates, and here you can see this is minus 393.6, okay? Just let me agree on this. So minus 393.6. This will be the new stuff. So what we are doing right now, I'm just selecting all the other waypoints here in front and up front. So right click, select items, and I am just selecting all the other waypoints here and up front. So, and then I hit selected object. The value we already defined, and once I hit the override button, all of them are coming exactly to the same level, okay? So if I double hit the program, you will see that the program lines will get exactly to the same level. So we just do this, we just do this right now with the lower line as well. And for the lower line, I would like to apply this one as my reference. So I just get this selected point, and we just take a look of the coordinates. The coordinate should be 549, okay? 549 minus 549 millimeters. And we will even do so that even the master point we will just put to this level because it makes sense, and then this will be everything on one line. So I just selected all of the waypoints and then I hit override. Bam. Okay. Once I run the program again, you can see, okay, it is everything on the same point. So just to make it complete, I will use this point to have all of them to the same height. Okay. So how we do this? Just for my safety, this is the P1418. Okay. So I just select this point. Okay. What's the coordinate? The coordinate is minus 794. I will apply 94. Minus 794. Okay. And I just, again, select items. I just select all of them, get selected points, override. Without checking out, I will use this one for the last one, minus 920, minus 920, and we are just selecting the points, select objects, and override. Okay, here you can see some of the points were lower, so you really just have to take a look. You just please invest some time to figure out which point would be the best for you to align all of them. Here in this case, this will be the same. And here you can see, so I would just really like to show you I just want to show you the robot. And I would like to show you how different it gets from this one. Just see please the robot movements as well. So this is not a smooth one, okay? You can see here this is not a smooth one. I just make a little bit faster here in the simulation because it really has to come through point by point, each point which we have recorded. Okay, you can see here point by point it has to go through, and this is even a kind of optimized one because we didn't record it with 1 millimeter distance, but with I think with 10 millimeters. But compared to this one, this is a completely smooth operation. So really just start and end points. The robot can really move around between the start and end points here. I just make the tool visible as well. So there's a if it fits well to your technology, we can really recommend this to invest this kind of this amount of time, because you can see here this is a completely different and homogeneous program than the other one. However, as mentioned, the other one is working as well perfectly, but you will see the difference that it even saves you some time and you will get most probably a better technological results. How to apply all of this knowledge to your technology, this is your job. You are the best expert. If you want to have such kind of peaky turning points, or you really want to have some smooth one, so the freedom is the choice of freedom is yours, but you can see how easy it can be done with the easy Automator tool.